Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Well, what I'd like to do is talk about the equity markets here as we enter August and earnings season. Earnings season's been coming in for the S&P 500 very well. Top line earnings growth is coming in at 24% so far. That's well above the 20% expected at about June 30th, so that's pretty good. There is a big but though, and however, the reaction to the earnings are a bit mixed, meaning we saw stocks like Facebook implode, Netflix, Twitter, some of the other tech stocks like Square still unclear, Grubhub, not able to hold their gap ups, but other stocks did pretty well, stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. So what I want to talk about is one group that seems to have pretty good reaction to earnings going on right now, and that's pretty much the medical group, which again tells us maybe the market's getting a little bit more defensive because this medical group's starting to act pretty well. We also see the bank's reaction to earnings pretty good, so there might be a search for value here. So more specifically, we take a look at a few medical stocks that reported earnings. We saw big gap ups, and more importantly, they're able to hold those gaps over the last few days. So I'll go through a list of stocks here now. These are not buy recommendations. You always should consult a financial advisor to see if any of these stocks are for you. However, some of the medical stocks that we're eyeing because they had big gap ups and they're holding those gaps, stocks like Amedisys, that symbol is AMED, or Biotelemetry, that symbol is BEAT, or Dexcom, that symbol is DXCM, Illumina, ILMN. Inogen is acting very well, but still did not report earnings. That's, I believe, coming this week. And then there's Medifast, that symbol is MED, big gap up, holding it well. Molina Healthcare, that's symbols MOH. Star Surgical, symbol STAA. All these stocks, again, they had big gap ups and they continue to hold those moves, or even stocks like Anthem, ANTM, or Centene, that symbol CNC. All in the healthcare space, medical equipment makers or outpatient care, acting very well. So this is just during this market when things are choppy in the tech sector, a little bit unpredictable. You might want to take a look at this sector because it's acting very well in this market, and then we'll see what happens in a few months or so. So as anyways, let price and volume be your guide. This is George Kachuk for RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, and have a great trading week.